everybody. So today I'm playing with this kind of mixed list. I cut the Frankies to just see what Rebecca looks like a little bit, and also to play these Orlumbuses. In the game I'm sharing today, it kind of shows how good this card is against yellow. But other than that, I do feel like the Frankies are just stronger than this Rebecca overall. But it's an interesting game, so I hope you enjoy. Alright, we'll try this again. I think going second against this deck is preferable. It slows us down, but it slows them down too. This is arguable. We're probably going to draw into stuff, but I want to be a little more proactive. Cool. Much better. This is a downside to letting them go first. This Luffy turn starting out early. It's kind of rough. Okay, so they're gonna Basil next turn. So we try to decide if we want to set up anything here. Oh, they can't Basil next turn, so that's ideal for us. It's much more likely that they'll actually do that. So I think I'm fine using this Leo. And we can pick up I want the Kairos eventually. Probably want to grab a 2K here. Then we will ditch. We'll ditch the Rebecca. I think I'm fine taking this first swing. It's okay. Kind of try to get them to swing here. Yeah, perfect. Let's get rid of another Rebecca. Getting to swing Cavendish at this turn is kind of wild. Notably for like anybody who wants to do well into Usopp, just never do this. It feels like they're a 4-life leader and you can pressure them, but my opponent next turn is never going to swing into this body. Or I guess they could, but not enough that I'm gonna let it go. Oh, they're going at B, which is kind of surprising. I'll use that 2K. I think they saw the writing on the wall here. I'm pretty willing here to lose another life. I have another block. I have a blocker in hand. I'm probably gonna draw one. And honestly, no, there's worse things. I would like to get a Rebecca for next turn. Here we're gonna ditch. Tempted to ditch the Luffy. They don't really have a great answer to a Luffy on board. But I'm gonna go Kairos so we can keep the Luffy. Yeah, and we just let this happen. It's not a big deal. We can kind of do some interesting stuff and we can start digging here. That's perfect. Get another Cavendish. Notably, if we put a Cavendish on the field right now without swinging at them, I don't even know what their turn is. I guess they just swing into us. But I'm not too worried about it. I don't really want to give them the 8 kid when they're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I guess they're only going to 7. That's okay. When they go to 7, I'll just let it be. No. Just take it easy. See if they want to keep allowing this Cavendish to get me value. Okay. So notably, we really want these calves to be hitting a little bit of a mess up there. We really want these calves to be I have my old version, my bad. I didn't actually save. But worth noting, this is pretty good here. We can dictate a lot of what happens this turn with the Orlumbus and the... Notably, we are leaving ourselves up to a lot of shenanigans if we do that, but I think we're okay. I mean, they're taking our life one way or the other. So, you know, we might as well get something out of it. We can probably get a bunch of counter here, right? Yeah. Now I'm kind of tempted to just toss this Luffy and play a game where now I'm just getting a bunch of counter and like removing anything big they play. Let's try it. I need 2 of those. Counter this. Okay. That's it. Yeah, next turn we probably just pressure and then play 2 blockers. Guess. And they're gonna let us counter this, so we will. Kind of crazy that we went through all these calves and still our life is this low. Right now we have no way of really getting through that. Check our trash, see if we have any version of this that works. Rebecca. We could get a blocker back. We could get... That's about it. We can block 2k back. Lay out. Nothing. Play a 2k. I do want to bounce this back if I can. But currently I can't interact with it. Maybe I swing another one. See where we end up. Oh, duh. I forgot about Orlumbus. See, this is why Orlumbus is just generally really good in this yellow matchup because they can't interact with it. I think my opponent's gonna have a hard time figuring out what to do here. So I would. If they have a 2k, they probably give it. So yeah, let's Orlumbus. -4. We even Rebecca here. Such an odd. I don't think we do. I think we'd rather have the blocker and the counter at the end game? So do we just Kairos it back? I think so. And then we use this Dawn for swings. I can't believe I almost forgot the Olympus there. Sorry about the noise, I had to cough real quick. Leaving them at 2 here is really good for any ace play they might try. Okay. Assume they're swinging into Olympus here. I don't know. Doesn't really matter who they swing at and blocking, right? So I think I block and I get rid of one of these because good draw. Okay, so we've set up law again. Do I have a way? Oh, or Olympus, of course. So we 4 that. The most likely thing, easiest thing that could kill it would be a Zoro. Which notably I can get with this and play it. Yeah, interesting. Not sure what the best way to do that is. How many Zoros are in my bin? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Well, we have the answer to that. So 4. So we swing one of these first. I guess I swing where Olympus. No. Swing one of these first. I might draw into something. Notably, I still haven't seen a Hina, right? Or no, this is the version that doesn't have it, so that makes sense. 2 and a 2. Yeah. Rid of Becca. And then we're going to do this. Oh, we only have 6 cards in deck. Ooh, boy. So we can't. Oh. We're gonna go to 4. Uh-oh. Maybe we're just supposed to do this then? This isn't a May. Ugh. Four. Go to 2. god, this is a lifesaver, literally. That's crazy. Okay. Oh my gosh. That is wild. What a crazy game. I think I'm perfectly fine here. I don't want to draw a single card at this point. Sorry, I was so quiet. Just trying to make sure I wasn't dead. Funny thing is here, I think with the combo we have, we can just go for it, right? There's nothing really, I don't think any number here kills us. Yeah. Wow, what a wild game. GG. Arguably, probably didn't even need to do this, like just dawn up everything, but it felt funnier, I guess. I was almost a little bit dumb, and I mean, I was dumb putting this near the top when it has no counter. The top two cards should have just been 2Ks, obviously, but I was just excited. I didn't think about it. Alright, have a good one.